Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a baseline so you know what to fix. First, run a 30 to 60 second ping or jitter test during peak use to capture real numbers. Once done, restart the modem, router, and the affected device. Simple reboots often clear transient queuing. Next, plug one device with an Ethernet cable and repeat the test so you create a wired baseline. This shows whether the problem is wireless versus the ISP or modem. Now you tackle interference and configuration. Scan local networks and pick the least congested 5 GHz channel. If many neighbors, reduce channel width to 20 or 40 MHz to avoid overlap. Make sure router firmware and the client device's Wi-Fi drivers are current, because fixes often hide in updates. Then enable CO-S or traffic prioritization and assign real-time traffic like video calls and gaming. Finish by optimizing physical placement and scaling the network. Move the router to a central elevated spot away from walls, microwaves, and large metal objects. Small adjustments often cut packet variation. If coverage gaps remain, add wired access points or a mesh system with wired backhaul so wireless contention drops. Finally, run repeated jitter tests after each change. If jitter persists, isolate each device to find the offender and, as a last resort, factory reset the router or replace aging hardware. That troubleshooting tip typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.